Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and doing well. So in today video I will show you tissue roll crafts ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So let's start the video. So friends, before you throw away empty tissue roll, save them. They can be turned into beautiful decoration and useful dye project. Make a colorful pencil holder by decorating a tissue roll with the paint, paper or fabric. It is perfect for keeping your desk neat and organized. Create cute animals like owl, rabbit, butterfly, panda, and paper ears, googly eyes, and bright color for a fun craft that kids will love. And baby birds. Friends, turn tissue balls into beautiful flower decoration. Paint them, cut them into flower shape, and create lovely wall art. Make a small gift box by folding the end of the wall and decorate it with ribbon or stickers. They are perfect for small gifts and party favor. And friends, so next I will say friends. Decorate your home with handmade wall hanging made from paint, tissue or flowers, and leave the idea unique and creative touch. And the weavers. Friends, so friends, I hope you have enjoyed my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. Viewers, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz, viewers. Stay safe, stay happy.